Oh shit. The fuck? What's up, squad? You can see the time thumbnail. After a rainy day, we're gonna see how this straight pipe Dodge Charger RT 2014 sounds like. Probably no difference. Probably there's a difference. I don't know. First owner Mopar. Shit, I don't know. But we're gonna hear it from the side of the driver's side. So here we go. Oh shit. The fuck? Hold on. Bro. I don't know, something was happening. You guys heard a little, but not the way I wanted to. I don't know why the fuck this fucking shit said it. My fucking keys wasn't detected. Wait, but I got y'all next time. No matter of fact, this video's not gonna end. We're gonna end it tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. The next day, we're gonna do a cool start. Let's go.
The next day,
You guys can see, as I promised y'all, we're gonna get that cold start. It's early in the morning. It's like 6:58. I got my backpack and shit. Ugh. Let's open this car. My purple car. All right. Let's pray that this works now. Let's pray. Breathe. Here we go. Start just real quick. Cold start part 3. The last clip was a fail, but if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. On to the next one.